everyone, this is the WizFi360-EVB-Mini version, and we're going to connect this to the PC using a micro USB cable, and the LED will turn on upon connecting, and the USB driver will be automatically installed onto your PC. Now let's open Device Manager. And look for the port number. So under ports, you'll see the port number is COM20. And if you can't find this port number, you'll have to remove the USB cable and search for this driver name at Google. So Silicon Labs CP210X USB download. Okay, so click on this result. You'll get different versions that will work for different operating systems, so install the appropriate one that will work with yours. Then once you've done that, you'll have to reconnect the USB cable and then look for the port number. Once you've got the port number, let's open Arduino IDE. You can also use a different serial terminal program if you wish to, but our tutorial will be based on Arduino IDE. Go to Tools, look for port, select COM20. Let's close this real quick and click on this button, which is the serial monitor, and then minimize this. Also set the speed of the serial terminal to 115,200 bps and select both NL and CR. Now let's type in AT. You got an OK message. And now you're ready to send AT commands to the eval board. So you can also press this reset button, which is located on the bottom left of the eval board. Let's try to press it, and you've got the ready message here. So it's just another way of preparing the UART communication. And now I'm going to set the eval board to station mode, and connect it to the Wi-Fi AP. So to set station mode, type AT plus CWMODE_CUR equals 1. Okay. And to enable DHCP, type AT plus CWDHCP_CUR equals 1, 1. Okay. So now we have enabled DHCP to assign the IP from the Wi-Fi access point. And now let's type in AT plus CWLAP to search for a connectable Wi-Fi access point. Look for the one that your PC is connected to, and once you've located it, type in AT plus CWJAP_CUR equals, then quotation mark, and the SSID of your access point, -56DA-2.4, close it with a quotation mark, and then comma, another quotation mark, and then the password. And don't forget to close it with a quotation mark. Okay. So you once you're connected, then type again this command, at plus CIPSTA underscore CUR question mark. Now you've got the IP of the eval board. And next, for TCP communication, connect the PC to the same Wi-Fi access point. Let's double check we're connected to the same one. Yep. And yeah, let's run the CMD prompt now. So once you've opened that, we're going to configure the IP of the PC. You can see it here. So let's put it here. And type ping -4 space IP of the eval board, which was 10.1.10.162. You can find it here. So press enter, and you'll receive these replies. In order to send a ping from the eval board to the PC, type AT plus PING, or actually no, plus PING equals quotation mark, and then the IP of the PC 10.1.10.160, and close it with a quotation mark. Okay, so now all the network settings for the TCP communication are set, and let's run the Hercules tool. Again, if you don't have the Hercules tool, you'll just have to search it at Google to download it. Make sure to complete the search with Hercules download instead of just Hercules. Otherwise, you'll get a bunch of images of Hercules instead of this result. And install Hercules. So yeah. Okay, so with the Hercules, go to TCP server and enter any port number except the reserved port numbers. I'll be using 3000, and then click listen. Go back to the Arduino IDE and enter AT plus CIPSTART equals, and then quotation mark TCP, quotation mark, comma, and then another quotation mark, IP of the PC, which was 10.1.10.160, close it, comma, and then no quotation mark, the port number, which was 3000. This is the port number to it. Okay, so then you can see the connection messages here on the Hercules and both IDE. Now let's transmit a TCP data. Go back to Hercules, and I'm going to just send hello, which, since it's already here, click on this instead of pressing enter. And then once the eval board receives the hello message or the data, it will show up here. Conversely, to send data from the eval board to the TCP server, type AT plus CIP SENDBUF equals 5. Okay, so 5 means the size of the data right here, and hello is 5 characters. So you can set, you can set the size of the data from 1 to 2048 bytes. Then you'll see the greater sign here, the terminal. which is sent back from the eval board, meaning it's ready for TCP data, transmitting TCP data. So let's enter again hello, now this time in the IDE. Okay, so since hello is 5 characters, you'll see it here that it's received. Okay, so and then also the send OK message here at the serial terminal. And once the all these data transmission is done, go back to the IDE and type AT plus CIP COLSE to disconnect the TCP communication. So now it's closed. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching.